Hello guys, Assalamu alaikum. I am NK back with a new video. So today I am going to show you how to do image processing in Matlab. So watch my full video, and if you like it then like, comment, share with your friends as always, and keep supporting my channel also. So let's go. Okay guys, so first open my Matlab over here. Here it is. So I create a new editor window by clicking over here on new. So in this video, three things I am going to teach you. First thing is displaying image in Matlab. The second one is how to show the properties of image, and third one is how to run more than one images in same window. So let's move on to the first step, displaying image in Matlab. Here is the code. Image 1 equal to imread bracket NK.jpg, which is the title of your image. Then imshow bracket and image1 bracket close. So here one thing I am going to tell you, that the title of image that you put it over here must also be in the current folder, just like that. If you don't, then Matlab might give you an error. So I run it, save a file that says 65. So here the code is running. It might take a few seconds. So here is the image. You could see. Now guys, moving on to our next step, which is how to show the properties of image. So if I want to show the properties of that image, I write a code. I already saved it in the notepad file, so I just copied it from here. Maximize the code so you can see from here. Now I copy, Control C, and paste it over here. So you could see that NK.jpg, so it will give you the properties of this image. So here is the properties. First of all, it will show you the image name. The image is in C drive, and then the folders, users, in, pictures, and so on. Modification date, then 3 December 2019, and it also shows you the time at 10 o'clock. Then image size 2,23,800. Then image width, image height, color depth is 24. Color depth is also known as BitDepth, is the number of bits used to indicate the color of a single pixel in a bitmap image. So 24 bit color depth is mostly used by every computer and phone displays. I show you a simple example of this. Here 24-bit PNG gives you 16 million colors variations, and similarly 8-bit 256 colors, 4-bit 16 colors, and so on. So as the number of bits decreases, the number of color variations is also decreases, and also the quality of that image reduces. 24 gives us 16 million color variations almost. Color type is true color, sample number is 3, code method is Hoffman. Hoffman method is used for compression and also for encoding and decoding of image. Then the coding process is sequential. Sequential is basically without break, interruption, or following in order, or you can say that the processes that run concurrently relative to each other are also sequential. So these are all the properties you can also see in the workspace. So moving on to our third part of this video, which is how to run more than one images in same window in Matlab. I give a little space in there. So the code for this is, I open a notepad. I already saved it. So this is the code. I simply copied it. Control C and then Control V in the editor window. These are the 4 pictures which are going to show in the same window. Subplot 2 to 1. The first subscript denotes the number of rows, and the second subscript denotes the number of columns, and the third subscript denotes the position of that image. First I clear my command window, then I copy it, press enter. So you can see from here there are 4 pictures, there are 2 rows and also there are 2 columns. The first picture is in first position, and then second picture is in second position, third, and so on. So this is how you can display more than one images in same window in Matlab. Thanks for watching my video. Hope you like it. If you have any queries, you can ask freely in the comment section, and also press the bell icon for more updates.